Days after the tragic Surfside condo collapse, those who have filed lawsuits against the Condos Association are now getting their time in court.
NBC6 investigator Wilard Shepard, he is live in downtown Miami with more on those lawsuits. Willard.
Yeah, good afternoon to you from the Miami-Dade County Civil Courthouse here downtown on Flagler. This was the first hearing of what will be many moving forward concerning the legal actions that were filed very quickly after this terrible tragedy over in Surfside. Those initial legal lawsuits that were filed to prevent what we call in legal terms spoilage, documents, other items that these lawyers wanted to make sure were preserved as they move forward with their litigation. Now, there are basically two types of lawsuits that have been filed and or will be filed going forward. Those are what we call negligence claims and also wrongful death claims by the families who have lost loved ones. The judge presiding over the hearing today, Michael Hansman, there were lawyers from about 20 different families that were being represented today. The members of the Florida bar stood up and said, hey, look, they're not out to make any money on these specific cases, and they want to get all these cases consolidated and expedited. We talked to George Silva, Coral Gables' attorney. He is representing multiple families. Here's what he told us.
That's why I think the judge highlighted multiple times throughout today's hearing that this will never compensate these victims, whether it be the death cases, the injury cases, or the property damage cases. There's never going to be full compensation, not enough money in the entire world to do so. But it's our job to try to marshal as many assets as possible to try to soften the pain a little bit.
Now, we contacted the association that is the defendant in these lawsuits. We didn't hear back from them this afternoon, but they had told us previously that they can't comment on any of these lawsuits. They were working with the friends and the neighbors to try to console them, and also working with any of the investigative bodies, the police, fire department, and Miami-Dade County in this process as it goes forward.